Installation qualification. The second stage of laboratory equipment qualification is Installation qualification, or IQ. IQ verifies that the equipment is correctly installed and provided with all the necessary services. IQ covers the installation of the equipment up to and including when it is switched on. The IQ protocol should include equipment name, model, and description, location within the laboratory, utility requirements and environmental conditions, safety features, computer name, number, and details, software name and version. Performance qualification. The final stage of laboratory equipment qualification is performance qualification, or PQ. PQ is performed after both installation and operational qualifications have been completed, reviewed, and approved. The purpose of PQ is to provide continuing evidence that an instrument is performing acceptably during routine use. PQ differs from OQ in the following way. It is concerned with the specific application of the equipment. In other words, the test methods run on the equipment. PQ is an ongoing process that continues right up until the equipment is taken permanently out of service.